Today, image generation technologies are evolving rapidly. Across the world, millions turn to global tools such as Google Gemini or ChatGPT to bring their ideas to life. These systems are powerful and creative, shaped by diverse international concepts and global perspectives. But sometimes something feels missing. For countries with cultures with deep roots and unique identities, like Kazakhstan, it can be difficult to find tools that reflect their own worldview, their symbols, their traditions, their way of seeing beauty. This is where Beynele begins its story. The Institute of Smart Systems and Artificial Intelligence is proudly launching Beynele, a cutting-edge text-to-image model that generates high-quality images from prompts in Kazakh, Russian, and English. Created with deep understanding of Kazakhstan's cultural and national values, Beynele is designed to generate images that feel familiar, meaningful, and true to local identity. Whether it's captions, labels, or artistic typography, it seamlessly integrates language with visuals. The model generates both common and Kazakhstan-specific themes, accurately capturing local aesthetics and traditions. Developed with Kazakhstan's heritage in mind, Beynele authentically depicts national attire, traditions, folklore, and daily life with detail and pride.